you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, I'm starting out with no makeup, no primer on yet. But I'm going to try a few new things to me, because something I've had a while and I just haven't got around trying yet. And, start off with the bare face. I'm only going to go through like foundation, concealer, and if I have time, I'll do an eyeshadow palette, but I might separate the eyeshadow palette, so look for that later this new, which might affect this, but I might do like half my face with this, and then half my face with something else. I'm going to try this, this works, which is In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask Moisturizer Primer in one. It just says to apply until absorbed. So I'm going to take that to one side of my face because I don't know if it'll affect this next product. I'm going to take another primer that I have tried and used. If I know how something applies, I can tell you. It's like clean ingredients. A little fragrance there, but horrible. It does absorb well. Slightly tacky. It's have a strong, like, clean scent. I don't know how to describe that, but we're gonna go half a lovely face with that. I look like a zombie, but it's okay. Other half, I'm just gonna use the Becca Backlight Priming, which I have used. And this has like a lemon scent. The main reason for this video is not only insert a picture of what this looks like dry, I have it wet right now. It looks like immediately wet. This is the Juno & Co. Microfiber sponge, and it did get a bit bigger, like less you can see like height wise, you can see a little height wise, but more like just roundness of it. So I have wet this. I have not tried this. I know a few friends have. I got this like, it wasn't in my November Ipsy Glam bag. I wasn't that lucky that it automatically came in, but I was able to buy it for $3 as an add-on that month. So I can go ahead and try this. So I got my Physicians Formula Medium Neutral 4, which I just kind of like place like where I would contour if I actually ever contoured. Really don't. I could probably almost stop using this just because I use it just to mix. I don't really like place it in there because I was still a little bit too dark for just medium neutral 3 on its own. I still am kind of, but I'm almost there. I don't lose any more of my tan, which I probably will. Or as I can get no sun when it's cold. So I'm just, it's so weird, like, cause you got this real, it's like flat right there, and then you got a curve, and then it's like a big round bouncy end. But I guess I'll just bounce it like this. Okay. It is denser than like a sponge. I'd say painful, but it is denser. If you don't know this formula, it's a really nice formula. It's medium coverage, built to medium, but a very natural medium. Not a heavy foundation at all, but still decent coverage. Oh, we just like the finish. And you can see the claims on this is like it doesn't absorb as much as your product as a normal blender would or sponge or whatever. Looks like in my mirror. I should have more. Oh no. Oh no. That could be the primer, but this side kind of did it too. See, it's like, you can see it's like separated right here, and it didn't cover up that pimple at all, but it's like majorly like a missing product. Now Tati liked it when she did this thing, like dabbed and blend faces. I guess that evened it out over there somewhat. Don't see it. And see, it spotted on my chin too. Yeah, so definitely not the pattern mission. I would like do the draggy weird thing. Dear Lord, okay. Okay then. I don't know how that's going to work with concealer, but we're going to try it. Why not? I don't know. That broke up majorly just buffing it. I mean, you can smooth out with that thing, but it still doesn't look like I have any product there. I know it's only a $6 sponge, but dang. Wait, how are you supposed to do that with concealer? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try buffing and see what it does. I don't know about you, but my under eyes look a mess. I don't know if you notice like major creeping, a lot worse than normal, but it shouldn't be happening because I just blended that in. Oh no. I'm swipe dabbing my face. Hard to get it. Bless it. Major separation issues. It's just from like the initial application and buffing, but like, I don't know, creasing and everything else. We're going in with Derma Blend again. And it goes on both sides. Of course, it's worse with this other primer thing on the side than it is on this side, but it was still a little bit. Oh yeah, primer as a primer. At the camera one, but I don't want this blender either. I don't know. More powder's fine. That one is getting a little bit of it too. Oh, it like aged my skin like all across there. So bad. It looks really creasy on this edge of my mouth. I'm having like pore issues today. my under eye looks like the Sahara Desert on both sides. Again, some foundation in this area. Primers fall as well. I think I'm blended in over here, and I should be. Okay, let me finish putting on a little bit more face. Take my blush clutch from Tarte, stuff some blush. I don't want the highlighter in that. So I'm going to show you what this Becca and Topaz could do. It was on sale. It's the Light Chaser Highlighter for face and eye. And Topaz Flashes Gilt, like G-I-L-T. That color. And it's way smaller than a traditional Becca highlighter, but bigger than their little tiny ones they include in the thing. Okay, I know it's first time, and it wasn't as bad with the Becca as it was with that other primers. That probably is part of the primer side. But the fact that both my under eyes, where the primer didn't really touch, and this one on the side where it would have been fine if it had, to fail that it looks so bad underneath my eyes. You can tell, like, not even just my regular lines, like it's like it looks so bad. And even like this was hard to blend. It didn't want to cover over here on this little pimple at all. So I went back in with concealer. It's looking horrid, like across the chin and even the corners of my mouth right now. And primer or that, I don't know. Having problems, even though I went back and did the sweeping motions, which Toddy said worked better. I can't recommend. I know it's only no, unless like I go experiment and try it again. But can you imagine? Like, I know y'all review stuff. That's fine. Like, but I don't want to look totally janky, like at work all day, or I don't know, out and about all day. You know what I'm saying? Like, so if I don't trust something, I might do it for filming. But other than that. No, Smashbox setting spray. Well, this is setting fresh, whatever. Let's go with this. Let's see. It's not skin look any better. Probably not, but anyway, so I'm gonna end this here, and I'll do my new eyeshadow palette on another video. So this one's not horribly long, but I will edit this somewhat. Alright, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!